Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Horry County in northeastern South Carolina, Marion County in... Thunderstorm warning for Florence County in northeastern South Carolina, southern Darlington County in northeastern South Carolina until 7:45 p.m. At 6:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Kellytown to near Quinby, moving south at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Florence, Hartsville, Lake City, Darlington, Timmonsville, Johnsonville, Pamlico, Lamar, Quinby, Mars Bluff, Lydia, Darlington Raceway, Swift Creek, Poston, Cartersville, Florence Darlington Technical College main campus, Oates, New Hope, Sardis, and Please send your reports of hail or wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for